This is the ShoreTel Enterprise Contact Center 7 dial list video demo. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add a list to our schedule in Director, close our Director browser, go ahead and from the supervisor's point of view, put our agent back into Resume. And what you will see now, and you can follow this from the dial list report from the upper center of the screen, is that we are going to be making 7 outbound calls. And we're going to be pushing those calls to the agent once those calls are successfully answered. So what will happen here is essentially the same thing 7 times in a row. Here we have a little pop-up indicating the customer's name and company name. The agent is reserved, the outbound call is placed, conversation takes place. We will see who is calling, some information about that individual, in this case an account number. Call will be completed, wrap state will be entered, completed, and then the next call comes up with a very, very quick pop-up. The pop-up is such that you can determine how long it will be available for the agent to be seen, or even if you use a pop-up. Certainly, it's a very effective way of letting the agent know something unique is going on. Now from the next call, we can see caller is calling from extension 1002. We get the screen pop. We have information displayed to us once again within Communicator. And we can see once again in our dial list report that our active calls are 4 and our successful calls are 3. If we look down at the brief agent report, we can see Agent Peter Pound going between the outbound reserve state as he is here, as well as a ACD state when he is finally connected on an outbound ACD call, and then when he enters his wrap state. We can see how many outbound ACD calls he has answered and his current ACD group as well, which OB stands for outbound. We can see his outbound calls answered incremented. On the bottom right, we have a view of the state of the group that he is in. He is currently the only person logged in, so his state will be mirrored in that entire pie. When he is green, he is on a call. When he is not, he is either in a wrap-up state, an idle state, or any of the other states that he might wind up in during the course of the busy day. So we have now worked our way through our list. We can now enter our release code. The agent is going to a meeting. We have successfully answered 7 calls, and our list just went from active to finished.